Hi, I'm Ernie Ball. Today I'm going to talk to you about our bass guitar strings. Ernie Ball Slinky bass strings. We created specific recipes that we felt matched that same slinky feel on the guitar for bass. Slinky bass strings feature a nickel-plated steel wrap wire around a high-carbon steel tin-plated core wire. This allows for a very balanced tone that fits virtually all playing styles. We also offer these in 5-string gauges and in 6-string gauges. All Ernie Ball bass strings come with our Element Shield packaging. From the day it hits your shelf to the day a customer opens the pack, the strings are as fresh as the day we made them on the factory floor. Ernie Ball Slinky Cobalt bass strings feature such a unique tone. There's this really distinct mid-scoop, but there's also these really pronounced highs and really defined lows. These strings feature a blend of iron and cobalt on the wrap wire, which produces a stronger magnetic relationship. This gives you more output, more clarity, and more projection, whether it's slap, finger style, or with a pick. They are so expressive and fun to play. They're also great for anyone that might have an allergy to nickels. Slinky flat wound bass strings. They're really unique because they give you the feel of a flat with really the sound of a round. Traditional flats are made from a stainless steel wrap wire. We used our intellectual property from our cobalt patent and applied that to a flat wound bass string. You get that round sound, but you don't have the finger noise. To us, this is what a really, really great flat wound should sound and feel like. Ernie Ball flat wound bass strings. These are a little bit different than our new Slinky flat wound bass strings because these are made from stainless steel, while the new Slinky flats are made from cobalt. These stainless steel flat wound strings will give you a really mellow sound, almost that Motown vibe if that's what you're looking for. If you're recording and you don't want any string noise to come through, these are perfect for that. We offer these traditional flat wound bass sets in 4 and 5-string gauges. Stainless steel Slinky bass strings. These bright and punchy strings sound great for really any style, but they're best used for rock, metal, or funk. These strings are also resistant to corrosion because of the stainless steel wrap wire, so they'll last longer and stay brighter over time. Ernie Ball coated Slinky bass strings resist moisture, impurities, and really anything on your fingers that will degrade string tone over time. Feature a thin enamel coating, which will make the bass string tone and the durability of the string last a really long time.